In this video, we compare DJI Mini 4 Pro Combo and HS700E Drone with certification. By the end of this video, we hope you will know which of these two products suits your needs. The DJI Mini 4 Pro Combo is a lightweight drone that doesn't require registration for recreational use, making it an ideal choice for beginners and hobbyists. It offers stunning 4K 60fps HDR video capabilities, capturing striking footage of sunrises, sunsets, and night scenes with remarkable clarity. The drone features omnidirectional obstacle sensing, significantly reducing the risk of collisions and providing a safer flying experience. With the Intelligent Flight Battery Plus, the DJI Mini 4 Pro can achieve extended flight times of up to 45 minutes per battery, enabling longer, uninterrupted flights. The drone provides real-time, high-quality aerial footage with 20km FHD video transmission, offering immersive, lag-free viewing experiences. The DJI Mini 4 Pro also offers customizable intelligent tracking with active shots 360 degrees, making it easy to capture smooth, professional-grade videos. The Holy Stone HS700E Drone is FAA certified, ensuring compliance with regulations and providing an unhindered flying experience. Equipped with a 4K EIS Anti-Shake camera, this drone offers stable video transmission and a wide field of vision for capturing precious moments. The drone features GPS and GLONASS navigation systems, offering stable hovering and a reliable return-to-home function. The HS700E drone is packed with additional features like Follow Me, custom flight path, and smart return to home, all controlled via the Ophelia application. The drone comes with a modular battery and a premium carrying case, making it easy to use outdoors and safely store when not in use. The HS700E is extremely user-friendly, requiring no complicated preparation and featuring modules like altitude hold, headless mode, air pressure sensor, and optical flow. While both the DJI Mini 4 Pro Combo and the Holy Stone HS700E Drone are excellent choices for drone enthusiasts, they have unique features that cater to different user needs. The DJI Mini 4 Pro Combo is a lightweight drone, ideal for beginners and hobbyists, with 4K 60fps HDR video capabilities and omnidirectional obstacle sensing, reducing the risk of collisions. It also offers extended flight times of up to 45 minutes per battery and customizable intelligent tracking, enhancing the user's flying experience. On the other hand, the Holy Stone HS700E Drone is FAA certified, ensuring compliance with regulations. It has a 4K EIS Anti-Shake camera for stable video transmission and GPS and GLONASS navigation systems for stable hovering and reliable return-to-home function. It also comes with a modular battery and a premium carrying case for easy outdoor use and storage. The HS700E is extremely user-friendly, making it suitable for novice pilots. In conclusion, both drones offer unique features, and the choice between the two will depend on the specific needs and preferences of the user.